All right, folks, good morning. It's Marcel. Here comes the coaster series. This is Coast Starlight, train number 11 to Los Angeles. This is it, y'all. Here she comes. An ALC-42 leading this one off. I think it's 319 coming over here with a P-42 DC in the back. Once again, Coast Starlight 11. P-42 number 27. Woohoo! All right, people, y'all on YouTube, wave at me. Y'all on YouTube. All right, folks, this train is going to Los Angeles. Going on the coast sub, turn it to the right. All right, thank you for watching. I'm Marcel Hall. Have a good day. Happy Friday. It is $5 sushi today at your local Safeway nearby your hometown. Please enter your Safeway Club card member number and you get a sushi for $5. That is all for today. Bye-bye. Happy Friday. Bye-bye.